Welcome to Global Content Space. So today, we're exploring the top 10 passive income ideas for 2025, designed to help you build wealth with minimal ongoing effort. 1. Dividend-paying stocks. Imagine earning money while you sleep. That's the power of passive income. Let's dive into these opportunities. Investing in dividend-paying stocks allows you to earn regular income from company profits. Investing in dividend-paying stocks allows you to earn regular income from company profits. Choose reliable companies with a history of consistent payouts to build a steady income stream. Real estate crowdfunding. Platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul enable you to invest in real estate without the hassles of property management. You can earn returns from rental income and property appreciation with minimal upfront investment. Creating online courses. Share your expertise by creating online courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Once published, these courses can generate income for years, requiring only occasional updates. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms allow you to lend money to individuals or small businesses in exchange for interest payments. Diversify your loans to minimize risk while earning steady returns. Print-on-demand stores design and sell custom products through print-on-demand platforms. They handle production and shipping, allowing you to earn royalties passively. Launching a YouTube channel or podcast. Create content on topics you're passionate about and monetize through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. Consistent uploads can generate long-term passive income. Renting out unused assets. Rent your car through services like Turo or lease unused storage space via Neighbor. These platforms enable you to earn money from items you already own with minimal effort. Investing in REITs, real estate investment trusts. REITs allow you to invest in real estate through the stock market. These trusts own income-generating properties and distribute profits to investors, offering a hassle-free way to earn from real estate. Selling digital products. Create and sell digital assets on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. Once uploaded, these products can generate income indefinitely. High-yield savings accounts or CDs. While not the most lucrative option, high-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit provide a safe way to earn passive income from your savings. Look for accounts with competitive interest rates in 2025. Ready to take control of your financial future? Start exploring these passive income opportunities today. Text on screen. Subscribe to Global Content Space for more insights. Visit us at globalcontentspace.com. And subscribe button and the description box contains a link to the globalcontentspace.com website. globalcontentspace.com